Come on, Lily, we're almost there.
Slow down, Max.
Lily, are you okay?
Oh, I scraped my knee. It hurts so much.
It's okay, Lily. I know how to help.
All we need is a slice of an aloe vera plant. Now slice open the aloe vera. The aloe vera should soothe the pain of the scrape.
Now let the aloe vera sit for 15 minutes.
Thank you, Max.
No problem. Let's go sit in the shade.
Where are you, Max?
Wait, I'm here,
Oh my gosh, Max, are you okay?
I hurt my arm really bad.
Hold on, Max. All we need are pineapple. Put a slice of pineapple over the bruised skin to reduce the swelling. Now let it sit for 15 minutes.
Oh, thanks, Lily. That feels so much better.
No problem. Let's get ready for our flight.
Alright. Got my suitcase.
Hi.
Hi, do you have your documents for a check-in?
Yeah, I have them right here. Ow, I got a paper cut. Oh, I know what to do. For paper cuts, all you need is chapstick. Rub the chapstick over the paper cut. There we go. Now my paper cut will stop bleeding. Oh, right, my papers.
Thank you.
Here, Max, I made sandwiches for us.
Oh, thanks. I hate mosquitoes.
Are you okay, Max?
There's so many mosquitoes here.
Don't worry, Max. I made a mosquito repellent just in case. To make some mosquito repellent, all you need is water and basil. Pour water into the pot, then add basil leaves. Now let it boil for 5 minutes. Next, pour the water into the spray bottle. Now the mosquito repellent is good to go.
I'll use it right now. So much better. Thank you, Lily.
No problem. Now we can enjoy our meal.
Yes. Hey, you almost ready for the trip tomorrow, Lily?
Yeah, almost.
Lily, you didn't pack those right. Here, let me show you. To save space, all you need to do is roll up your clothes.
Oh, okay.
First, bring the sides into the center, then bring the bottom half of the shirt up to the top. Now roll the shirt nice and tight, get it all compact.
Wow, thanks, Max. Now everything fits in my suitcase.
No problem. Now, are you ready for tomorrow?
I am now.
Alright, awesome. I'm gonna go grab my stuff.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, are you looking to book a flight?
Yeah. I got a splinter. I need to get this out.
Oh, use some non-toxic glue to remove your splinter. Pour some glue onto the area of the splinter. Now wait for the glue to dry. When you peel off the glue, the splinter should come off with it.
Oh, wow, that really worked. Thank you. Oh, I'm so tired. That was such a long hike. Oh, my shoes stink so bad. I need to do something about that. Oh!
To get rid of bad shoe odor, all you need is baby powder. Stand the shoe on its toe and then put the powder in. Much better.
Oh, this one's perfect for Lily. I'm gonna need a Bandaid.
To put the Band-Aid on the joint, you're going to need scissors. Cut both ends of the Band-Aid without touching the pad. Alright, now to put on this Band-Aid, all you have to do is take off the tab, then cross the first two and the second two. There we go. Now to go get Lily's flower.
Come on, Lily, we're almost there. Come on, Lily, we're almost there. Don't worry, Lily, I know how to help. Aha!
Thank you, Max.
No problem. Here, let's go sit in the shade.
Thank you, Max.
Yeah, no problem. Let's go sit in the shade.
Thank you, Max.
No problem. Let's go sit in the shade.
Here, try to.
Hi.
Hi, are you ready? There we go. Now my...
Shake up to shoot and make sure
Hey everyone!
Did you like our video?
Hope you enjoyed our show.
Which one's your favorite travel hack? Comment down below.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a click to the bell button.
And remember to give us a big thumbs up.
See you in the next video. Bye!